Well, here's yet another unboxing video, and this will be a good unboxing video. I figure, and this unboxing video will be very beneficial for, say, the web series I've been trying to get off the ground for, like, say, a couple years. What we're going to be unboxing is this Canon Vixia HF R800. And you're asking, if I already have a DSLR camera that'd be used for it, I don't need a second camcorder for. When I got one that already works, well, the reason is this one's said to be capable of filming 24 frames per second. We check the packaging there. Well, the same includes an HDMI cable, SDXC, specs on the box. Tells about battery duration there. Gives you the contents: camcorder, power adapter, battery pack, HDMI cable, USB cable, priority, slow fast motion, optical image stabilizer, intelligent. Just disclaimers here, like registered trademarks and everything. But we're just gonna go right to the good part about it. See. Good guide to using it. Here's the camcorder itself. This is good. Viewfinder flips around. And the reason why I just was purchased for the web series because it has this external microphone input. That was a stand also. Switches, place for the SD card, all that. Place for the battery. Zoom controls. Place for starting the camera and all that. The USB cable comes with that. Oh yeah. Battery comes with that. Oh yeah, HDMI cable. That's like a nice touch anyway. Like the camcorder I'm using to film this video never came with an HDMI cable. That's properly built for the. But I was gonna hook this Panasonic to that I'm using to my television, probably because I ended up buying an HDMI adapter. Oh yeah. How about that? When it comes again this going, I ain't worried. Because I got all the because I do have all the because I do have a proper SD card for this, so I ain't worried at all. This could be put to good use for the web series, like for say filming certain scenes anyway, or I'm sure if you ever see, I'm showing the once the pod ever gets off the ground, you're gonna understand. Real nice item here. It's being unboxed, and when it comes like say how to get this moved around, all that shit, ain't no problem either. Because I already thought ahead anyway. And this is pretty much the unboxing of this Canon Vixia HF R800. And yes, I do have a SD card outfitted. It's a 64 gigabyte SD card. So that'll fit that with no problem at all. I think they can. I think they probably make. I think it'd be very good for the web series, in my opinion. If they're both capable. I figure that Canon films, say that Vixia films in 24 frames per second. Then it'll be perfect for say the web series pilot. Figure a nice secondary camera anyway. It'll work perfectly. Oh well. Otherwise, it's pretty much a good video anyway.